Good morning investors, my name's Thomas from the KOSEC team and this is today's pre-market wrap for the 14th of June 2019. Yesterday the Australian share market lacked direction as the ASX 200 traded water for the majority of Thursday's session. The top 200 index saw a brief spike following the release of the May's jobs report but soon fell back to its old pattern. At the end of the day, the ASX 200 finished 1.3 points or 0.02% lower at 6,542. Looking back at the share market, the energy sector was among the underperformers, with the price of oil slipping 4% in overnight trade of concerns of slowing demand and larger than expected US crude stockpiles. The headline numbers for the May jobs numbers look solid, with 42,300 jobs created and the unemployment rate holding steadily at 5.2% as a record of 66% of the population were in work or actively looking for work, commonly known as the participation rate. Having said that, many of the jobs created were part-time roles, 39,800, while only 2,400 jobs added were full-time. The RBA believes that the economy can sustain an unemployment rate of 4.5%. The Australian dollar has remained heavy against the greenback, falling to 69.1 US cents following yesterday's job numbers. Yesterday, we did see a release that nothing changed the expectation of at least of the interest rate cuts in 2019, likely to happen in August. In the US, data on export and import prices are due, with weekly claims for unemployment insurance. Ahead today for economic data, we see today domestically there's nothing too important in Australia. Overseas in the emerging markets such as China, retail sales, production and investment data are due. In the US, retail sales, production and consumer sentiment are released as well. That's all for today's pre-market wrap this morning. Thank you very much. Have a lovely weekend.